Want to hide or blur a face or object in your video like this? Let's get started. First, import the footage you prepared into the timeline. Make sure you set the ratio and remove the original sound if your footage is audio. Next, duplicate the clip and place it as an overlay. Then go to the Remove BG menu and choose Custom Removal. Select the brush tool, then mark the face or object you want to hide. After that, click Apply. Now go to the Effects menu and add a blur effect. Play the video to see the result. And that's it. Your face or object blur effect is ready. Simple, right? In the next video, we'll learn more editing techniques to improve your videos. So make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.